Hello guys, welcome to the world's first MasterChef TV experience. Today I will teach you how to do the roast lamb with red pepper piquillo and some mince in the top. Let's go. Alright guys, so we have this amazing lamb chops, we have this mint, we have red pepper piquillo, nicely olive oil, potato and labneh. Alright, we have the lamb, this is from Australia. You look, it's very fresh. Okay, the first thing you have to keep this aluminum foil, so when we keep in the oven will not burn. And then let's add some pepper, salt for both sides, salt, pepper, and then let's go to the pan. We have olive oil, have to be hot, and then look, it's amazing. Just only keep for 2 minutes, and then we will flip. After both sides, let's go to the oven and let's cook for almost 4 or 5 minutes. Look the color. Smells so nice. Look, this is the color, and also it's very crispy. So let's keep for almost 2 minutes more, and then let's go to the oven. Look, so crispy. I will show you. Same color for both sides. Okay, so let's go to the oven. Let's take this amazing lamb. And let's keep for almost 4 or 5 minutes in the oven. Oh my God. Look, it's really amazing. You can see the crispy, so nice. So the lambs already we cook in the oven. So now I will show you how to do the garnish. We have the potato. Let's peel it. I will show you how to cut it, and then I will cook in hot water, boiling water for almost 30-40 minutes, and then we will remove and we'll fry. Let's cut it one side. So here we can flip and the potato is not moving. Let's cut it from another side. In front. And then, look, I will cut it almost in 2 sides. Like this. So, this potato will be our garnish. We have hot water, boiling water. Let's cook inside. Let's cook for almost 30-40 minutes. We can check if the potato is cooked in the middle with some stick. We can press inside and it's going. The potato is ready. We will remove and then we will fry. So from outside will be crispy and inside will be like a mashed potato. We have our garnish. This is the potato that we cook in boiling water. Okay, you can check if it's cooked. Just only introduce the stick, and if the stick is going out, it's because our potato is ready. So let's go to fry. Okay, let's dip the potato in hot oil. Take a lot of care because it's very dangerous. Just only we need to make like a crispy from outside because inside already is cooked. Next step, this is labneh and mint. We have to mix and blend it. So take one bowl, Take your labneh, introduce, and with the mint, let's add some mint. This one is also depend of your taste. If you like a lot of flavor of mint, you can add more. Look the texture. So what I will do is to transfer to the piping bag. And we will use this mint to keep some dust in our plate. We have the red pepper piquillo. This red pepper piquillo is a special pepper because it's coming from Spain and it's a little bit sweet. So what I will do is to cut in julienne and then I will saute. Let's go. Let's go to the pan. So guys, let's go to and play these fantastic roast lamb chops. First, I will use the mint sauce, okay? And I will keep it in the bottom of the plate. I will play like this, okay? And then, let's keep the potato. And the potato is nice idea because we can keep our lamb with volume like this. And then the roast red pepper piquillo on the side. And let's finish with some mint leaves. We can decorate the plate like this. Also in the potato. And almost this is the plate. So guys, look the plate, it's amazing. We have beautiful color. We have the potato, we have the red pepper piquillo, the lamb chop, the mint. So I suggest to add some lamb stock in the top of the lamb to be a little bit more juicy and amazing color. This is the final dish, roast lamb chops, and I hope you enjoy and buen provecho.